Good morning, friends. Today, the topic is operational amplifiers. Operational amplifiers are also used to build various circuits. The applications of operation amplifiers are many. Example, they can be used for mathematical operation as well as logical operations. The term operational amplifier describes an important amplifier circuit that can form basis of audio and video amplifiers. It is also having help in filters, buffers, line drivers, instrumentation amplifiers, comparators, oscillators, and many other analog circuits. The operational amplifier is commonly referred to op-amp. The short name operational amplifier. Op stands for operational, amp stands for amplifier. Although the operational amplifier circuit can be designed from discrete components, it is almost always used in integrated circuit. The operational amplifier is a simple building block. It has two inputs. One is called the inverting input and other is called non-inverting input. They are usually labeled or it is being specified on the IC. Usually op-amps have single output, but special op-amps used in radio frequency circuit have two outputs and the symbol used in the circuit diagram is shown. This is a symbol of operational amplifiers. Output designated by a single line, input for positive denoted by a single line, and input to negative denoted by a single line. So this forms the symbol. There are many characteristics of ideal op-amp. Few which are being helpful for designing a op-amp are: the output of ideal differential input amplifier depends only on difference between voltages applied to the two input terminals. The performance is entirely dependent on input and feedback networks. No current flows into amplifier input terminal. The frequency response extends from 0 to infinity, ensuring response to all DC and AC signal with zero response time and no phase change with frequency. The amplifier is unaffected by the load, and when the input signal voltage is 0, the output signal will also be 0 regardless of the input source resistance. So these forms the designing criteria of the op-amp, and the parameters are useful to incorporate in many applications. We've almost seen comparators, integrators, differentiators, which are forming the core part where the operational amplifier is working. With this, we conclude that operational amplifiers are used for many of the operations. There are other methods also, but operational amplifiers have the major role in building this circuit. Thank you.